outcome.
Yo, welcome, good morning, and welcome to Power Phase Paris. Yo, let's some Wednesday morning. So let's get down to it. Let's get down to it. Let's look at the chart from yesterday. So what we were looking for was a breakout loan entry above 722.20 to 722.80. With a stop below 720.80, with our targets being 724.50, 726.80, and 729. So let's look at what happened on the chart. So yesterday, like, this was going on. That's the pre-market right there. So you can see there's been some heavy movement already. So yesterday, what happened with the spot? Spot opened up right here at 721.78. And then we started with what we call sometimes a slow march. Well, it ran up here to 723. Remember, it started at 721, got to 723. Pulled back down here to 721. That's 10:15 when this happened. And then it goes back up 723 again. And it stays away the VWAP. Now, this blue and red line on this chart, these dots, that's my moving averages that I put on my chart sometimes. And I do that, especially when what I was looking at yesterday is that SPY came in, it broke above the target on the chart. And then it kept kind of grinding its way up pretty much most of the day. And then it let it off, but it continued to grind up. And you can see this blue line, which is my 9-day, stayed above this 21-day moving average, pretty much all this entire time. Had some big pullbacks, it touched it, but if you can look, we're still in an uptrend right now, so we're still moving up. And you see SPY continue to grind this way up, all the way till it got to 725.04. It got to that level, then we got some pushback. Came down, look what we did. By the end of the day, we made it back down to the VWAP, testing that VWAP, and we stayed above the VWAP. You see briefly, my 9 fell below my 21 during that time period, and it started moving. That's the end of the day too. But that's what happened yesterday. So if we play the chart, you would have been able to reach that first target, and you could have stayed above that 722, 27, 22, 80, and it pretty much held true all day. So that was a good thing, and I think that that right there is one of those days where it doesn't move a whole lot per se. Now, did have a pullback, and then it moved back, and it kept moving back up. So depending on where you got in. But, overall, that's a positive day. But definitely betting on the put side yesterday as this market continued to move up. So, let's look at the chart for today. Now, looking for a breakout long above 731.62, 731.80. On our entry to 732.60, with our stop below 729.80. Our target being 734, 736.80, and 740. And we'll be looking for, if it rejects shorten to 730.80, 731.62. We'll be looking for an entry around 730.80, 732, with our stop above 734.20. Target being 728.50. 727 and 725.70, and so that's where we are there. And so I'm gonna tell you why. I'd like to look and see what's going on in the chart this morning, man. It's a trip. Hold on, this chart. So you see yesterday, spot closed right here at 723.74. Let's go over here. Uh-oh. Some of my lines on here. All right. So, right here, this morning, spot opened up at 726. And then from there, it went all the way up to 731.62. And then it started to bring a little pullback. And you know, that's what happened. Like I said, we're in all-time highs. As you can see, though, my 9 and my 21, they holding true, right? My 9 is above my 21, and my VWAP, it looked pretty strong, but then look over here. When it started to reverse, you see that blue line fall below, and that red line still above, and it fall below that VWAP. But it's pulling back. That doesn't mean it's going to change forever. That's just an indicator that we're losing momentum. I don't have the volume on here, but if we was looking at the volume, you'll probably see red candles on the volume line right up in here. It probably started here, and then some red candles. But that's what it's looking like so far this morning. That's why I said those are the levels so far, because, man, we got some going on now with the market. With all the stuff going on, everybody's just trusting the market and putting in. So we gonna see how it turns out. But be careful, set your levels, and follow your dreams, man. And jump out in there if you want to, and be careful we out there. But that's what we're doing, and that's what we'll be able to do today. So I look forward to seeing some good moves. That's a big jump pre-market, a 6,000 move pre-market. Ooh, man, that means it's some movement possibly coming in the market. So let's see what happens. But that's how I trade plan for today. So I look forward to seeing everybody come up. And anything I said in this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let's get down to it, man. It's Power Plays Palace. It's Wednesday, and we'll see y'all tomorrow, man. And we out of here.
Seit einer Lichtschirm. So, die kannst du schon mal sehen, wie viel, aber also, auf Bearish.